Hey guys, we're back with another edition of Lean Manufacturing with WireCrafters. I'm Chad, and today we're going to talk about what I consider to be the most egregious of all the 8 sins of waste, which is potential unused. As I said before, your greatest resource are your people. If you're not utilizing their skills, their ideas, then you're really missing out on a great potential with your company. What we do at WireCrafters is we've got these employee engagement sheets, and on this sheet everybody gets one, and anytime they have an idea for how to improve something, then they just jot it down. Their work leaders come by and they check the form out and see, is this something we can do? Worst case scenario, we give them a reason why we don't want to work on this or can't work on this, whether it be too costly or just any other reason. But for the most part, we try to enact their ideas and make them part of the team that does that improvement. At the end of the day, I can tell somebody to do their job, but I can't do it as well as they do it. So using the potential of your people to get better ideas is the most important thing you can do for continuous improvement with your company.